YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we will be setting up this. So this is basically a 10-inch ring light. It's a 3-in-1 basically. So it's a selfie stick, it's a phone holder, and a ring light. So what to see inside your package is this. So once you open up, this is exactly what you see. So this is the tripod stand. This is the expandable should I say tripod as well, because you attach it to the tripod base basically. The 10-inch ring light itself with a phone holder attached, and last but not least you get a Bluetooth shutter remote. So let's see how everything looks. So this is a tripod base and this is the extendable tripod. So what happens is you attach this, the base, to the extendable tripod, and then you attach this here. Now before I attach this, because this is going to be too long for my video frame, I would just show you how to expand the tripod lever. Many people have had issues with it. So all you do is it's basically a pull up and twist mechanism. So it pulls up into 3 different stages or 2 different levels. So this is the first level. You pull up, you twist, you pull up again, and then you twist. It's even kind of difficult for me too, but yeah, that's basically it. So this is the base and this is the extendable tripod. So to put it back in, basically you push, twist, push, like that. If you want to bring it out again, you pull, extend out, and then you twist it till it makes a very faint clicking noise, so you know it's being clicked in place. Do you understand? Because look now, it's stiff. So basically it's a pull and twist, like I said earlier. So to extend, you pull it, drag it all the way out, then you twist each stage or each level till you hear a faint click noise. The same thing when you want to pull everything back or release everything, you twist it the other way and push back in. So this is how it looks. So now let's attach to the ring. Pardon the noise in the background. I'm filming at home at 1 p.m. Everybody's in the house right now, so go figure. Yeah, so I've attached the ring into place, and then so you tighten it so it doesn't wobble all over the place, because that can be very annoying. And there you have it. Yeah, so that's basically what it looks like when you set it up. And then it comes with a USB charging cable basically, so you can connect this to a proper charger head and to your socket at home, or you could even hook this up to your power bank if you don't have a light. It has 4 levers on the remote to power it on. Let me see this. So it's to power it on. To switch between the 2 temperatures that this light comes with, because it comes with the fluorescent very bright lights and it comes with the warm kind of like sunset yellow kind of lights. You can also reduce and increase the brightness, to reduce the brightness depending on what it is that you want or whatever it is that you're trying to achieve basically. So you can find this on my store. I'll drop a link to the store somewhere on this video and also in my description box. Let me know what you guys think. How easy or how difficult was it for you to set this kind of tripod up? If you also like to order, like I said before, I'm going to drop my link somewhere down in the description box.